This is my testimony how I was converted from Catholic to born again Trinitarian Church to this apostolic truth. I was born a Catholic and I was raised in a family wherein nagpupunta ng church kapag birthday, kapag Holy Week, kapag Christmas. And hindi ko matandaan masyado kung kailan pa. Siguro pag may piyesta. But I was looking for truth. I was so hungry for God at a very young age, I should say. Na parang nagkaroon ako ng question sa isip ko kasi dati active kami sa mga prosesyon, pagsali sa mga fiesta, Viva Santo Niño. And while dancing on the street, ang mga tao dala-dala yung mga Santo Niño, yung mga rebulto. And kapag gabi, mag-prosesyon ka naman, may hawak na kandila. In my young mind, I thank God because I had that question. Ito ba talaga yung Diyos namin? Ito ba talaga yung Diyos ko na gumawa sa akin? While we're dancing here, why we're doing this for these stones, this statue na nasa bato, nasa kahoy? And that is my confusion. That's my question. And in elementary, I used to pray, Lord, kung sino ka man, gusto kita makilala. I want to know you, God. I don't have a biological father growing up. He died at the age, he died when I was 2 years old. So, lumaki ako nang walang papa. But I'm praying to my Father in heaven. I have this deep desire to really know Him. After years of doing that, tradition and culture, lalo Pilipino tayo, marami sa atin ay talagang Katoliko by birth. But when I was grade 4, I was invited to a small church near to our home, I think 4 blocks away. At inimbitan ako sa Daily Vacation Bible School. Yun yung mga eskwelahan ng mga bata sa church. Na buong linggo, tapos sa Sunday may graduation. That's my first attend sa isang Trinitarian church. I went, at hindi ko napansin sa sarili ko na I'm enjoying the music, I'm enjoying the teaching of the Word of God. I really love it. I love the fellowship. At yun nga, hindi ko na namalayan na every Sunday na pala, nagsisimba na ako. Na dating nakapambahay, tas unti-unti. Bahay, at unti-unti ay gumaganda yung sinusuot mo para sa Panginoon. And my youth president taught us to do a daily And during that time, nung